This is a product from HP that's been around for a bit, but it still has a lot of value. It is called the HP White Satin Poster Paper. This is colloquially known as a wet strength paper. It is latex impregnated and it has limited outdoor durability. So if you have a paper where you have to get some water on it, or it might have some moisture or humidity concerns, this is a good choice of paper. It's very economical, it's nice lightweight, and one of the things I did a little different here is this was done with a 365. I ran it 12 pass at 124 square feet an hour. Now, what I'm doing is I'm putting more ink down. I took the existing presets that download into the printer and I modified them. And the way I modified them is I went to 12 pass and then I ran my charts to build a new print mode. That 12 pass print mode allows me to put more ink down because I'm running a little slower. That gives me a beautiful print. I'm very happy with the blacks here. I'm very happy with the amount of ink and saturation. A wet strength paper like this can take more ink. It's designed just like the idea that it's wet strength, it can take some moisture. I'm putting a lot of moisture on the paper and then bringing it into the curing zone. This is a good choice for an economical paper that also has limited outdoor durability. You could certainly use it in a lot of indoor applications. It's sort of a hallmark paper that we've had in our line for a long time, dating all the way back to the first latex printers, but it's still a valuable paper. And I think if you slow it down a little bit and put some more ink on it, it looks fantastic. And I think it's a real essential and valuable paper in the HP product line.